Hello and welcome to the channel. You're joining me on our last day of riding in Thailand. Breakfast is served. I'm going to enjoy this and then take you on an adventure with me. Today is the day we take the Hunter Cubs back to the hire company, but let's make today one to remember. Hopefully we're going to visit an epic waterfall and maybe even get ourselves wet. Quite sad to say goodbye to this place. That's been very, very enjoyable. But now it's time just to take in some more of these epic roads and make our way to Mesa Waterfall. This is gonna be awesome. Even sat nav can't quite work out where I am. It's got us just off the road. That's quite funny. But I'm sure it'll get us back to the right place when we need to. Oh, it's nice to get that breeze flowing through the mesh jacket. Once again, we splashed ourselves with a little bit of water on our chest and arms just to help with that cooling, because whilst it seems to be relatively cool first thing, first light, very, very quickly that heat is intense. Morning, doggy. Such a beautiful country. Even though we travelled these roads to get to the lodge yesterday, still amazes me. Everything about it. This has definitely been the first for me, very possibly not the last. I have loved Thailand. I really have. Talking as though it's over already. It's not over already. We got some awesome roads to enjoy. And that waterfall. I'm really looking forward to that. It looks great in the pictures. It'll look even better once we're there. With 10 tiers, there is bound to be some good opportunity to get ourselves right underneath and cool down. Already we're arriving at Mesa Waterfall. Managed to lose helmet head and I overshot a junction just to get here, but there he is, queuing up to find out what's going on. Do we have to pay for entry? I suspect we probably do. So first stop, nice, short climb, very accessible to a viewpoint. Let's have a look at what we've got coming. So if I'm right, we're at level 3, probably moving up there to level 4. And we can keep climbing anything up to 1.5 kilometers to get to those top tiers. Let's take a walk. Shall we? Well, that in itself was exhilarating. We've got more levels to explore. Let's see what's in store now. So just another short walk and we got some more epicness. Well, this place is without a doubt incredible, really enjoyable, loads of levels to enjoy and the epicness that you've seen, enjoying that cooling water. But now it's a sad time, we have got to get those Hunter Cubs back, the short ride back to the higher centre. So let's grab ourselves a drink and start making that last ride of the Hunter Cub something special. Well, I really wish we had more time to spend here. Could have spent all day drinking coffees, splashing about in the water and just generally loving it. Still did. Still really enjoyed it. Not quite got that deflated feeling yet, but I know it's coming. Just as we have to give the bikes back It's just an hour's trek or so back to Chiang Mai. Just taking this all in. But this is of course the beauty of YouTube, is I've got those videos to look back on. 24 kilometers left of Thailand, without a doubt. A country I have loved and will very likely visit again. Hopefully the next time it'll be with Steph and we'll both be able to hire a scooter or something different and do a similar tour. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Chiang Mai, the city. A chaotic last ride of the Honda Hunter Cub. It's not that turning we want, it's the next one. And I believe it looks like he's joining in with the chaos. We're all weaving. We've definitely got used to him now. Just a kilometre down here, kilometre and a half. And that's it for Thailand. What a crazy way to finish it. And there's traffic that really takes some concentration. Just giving it the beans for one last time. I would be taking a taxi then to the hotel right next to the airport we booked for tonight. And if we've got food there, we'll eat there. If not, we'll get a taxi back into town. So here we are. Classic Bike Tours Thailand. Thank you very much. Your bikes have been faultless. So as the bikes are checked over and we pack all our gear away, it's thank you to Classic Bike Tours Thailand, and it's goodbye to the CT Hunter Cubs.